Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little preview for the upcoming fall season. I'm so glad you're here and I hope you enjoy this short video of how I get my house ready for fall. My birthday is at the end of August, so as soon as my birthday is over, it's officially fall in our house. I ordered a few things from Bath & Body Works, so I'm going to get these unboxed and added to my collection before I get started. Pumpkin Apple, my favorite fall scent, was just released in the travel size body care this year, and I got the Fine Fragrance Mist. Then I got this Caramel Apple hand soap for Halloween. I just love the little cartoon apples. This is a brand new fragrance in the Wallflower refills called Washington's Finest Apple Macchiato, and you guys know how I love apple scents. The notes are spiced apples, a hint of cinnamon, caramel drizzle, and frothed milk. I also picked up this aromatherapy body care that was on clearance in the scent Aroma Oasis. I didn't think I would like this one because of the floral notes, but I smelled it in store and I actually really liked it. You can see that it's missing the spray top here, but I found it in the bottom of the box. It had just fallen off during shipping and I was able to just pop it back on. And I saved the best for last. My favorite item from this order is this pumpkin spice latte candle. This candle immediately caught my eye because it perfectly matches a wallflower plug-in I have, which you'll see later in the video. I don't have much room on my candle shelf for fall, so what I did was I just pushed the middle column of candles to the back, and then I have room for another column in the front. The candles I'm currently burning for September are Sweet Kettle Corn in the 3-wick and Leaves in the single wick. I'm going through the rest of my Bath & Body Works collection to pick out my scents for fall, and you can see I'm ready with my Halloween soaps too. The concentrated room sprays are great for using to freshen up your space, but I also like to use them as trash can sprays. I just do one spray in the bottom of the trash can before I put in the new bag, and then every time you open the lid, you get a little bit of that fragrance. For plugins, I have mostly wallflowers, but I also really love this Apple Cinnamon by Airwick. You guys know I like to coupon, and Airwick products are one of the things you can get deals on pretty often. I use apps like Ibotta and Fetch, and all the details are on my Instagram page if that's something you're interested in. Okay, so let's talk about all the fun things we're going to do for pumpkin season this year. I really want to do some Disney DIY projects, like some Disney home decor we can use for fall and Halloween, and I want to do some fall recipes like candy apples and maybe some homemade pumpkin treats for our cat. Definitely, I want to go to a pumpkin patch and carve or decorate some pumpkins. And then of course, I'm going to have at least one video for just Halloween where we decorate and make snacks. I'm very excited, so let me know what you're most looking forward to seeing on my channel this fall and what is on your fall bucket list. This is my Halloween decor bucket, and I just have a couple fall decor items in here. And this is the wallflower plug I was telling you about earlier. I love the sunflowers and pumpkins together. Thank you so much for joining me in getting my home ready for fall. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.